Welcome back. In this video, we're going to cover the 5 biggest pitfalls that derail digital transformation projects. The things I've seen go wrong time and time again across companies and industries. These aren't theoretical, these are real problems from the field. So let's dive in. Pitfall number 1, tech first mindset. This is by far the most common. A company decides it needs to go digital, so they buy a shiny new CRM or roll out an ERP system or sign a deal with a cloud vendor, but they haven't answered the most important question. What business problem are we trying to solve? Because digital transformation isn't a shopping trip, it's literally a strategic process. Tech should support the business goals, not lead the process in itself. Pitfall number 2, no executive alignment. This is another common one. The leadership team is not aligned. One exec wants speed, another wants cost reduction, another just wants to not get left behind. So, when there's no shared vision and no clear decision-making structure, the transformation stalls. So you get internal resistance, turf wars, and a lot of wasted budget. So what's the fix for it? Get the key players aligned early on. That's why we use governance models and sponsors in the deck. Pitfall number three, underestimating change management. This is a big one. You can roll out the best systems in the world, but if people don't adopt them, nothing changes. Most transformation fail not because the tech doesn't work, but because people didn't understand, believe in, or want to use it. Change management isn't fluff. It's a core work stream. Communication, training, support, and trust. These are all a part of it. Pitfall number 4, there are no clear KPIs. You can't improve what you don't measure. Many transformation programs start with enthusiasm, but with no definition of success. What are we trying to improve? Revenue, efficiency, CX, customer experience? Define your KPIs early and build them into your roadmap and dashboards. Pitfall number 5, and that's trying to do everything at once. This is the big bang trap. One company tries to transform 8 functions, 3 systems, and their culture, all at the same time. The results: burnout, confusion, and collapse. Smart organizations, they start small, they run pilots, learn fast, and they scale what works. Less showy, but more successful. Now, now you know the landmines to avoid. What should a transformation strategy actually include? That's what we'll dive into next. The strategic pillars that form the foundation of a strong transformation roadmap. See you in the next video.